this guy is not ending the bacon panic. I mean the pancake. Hey Google.
I've got a recipe called
No. And also, guys, sometimes I don't know what these kind of birds are.
What color?
For
What
example,
color is
this bird. Damn.
No, what color?
I
It's
don't
not
have
even metal, it's
anything
made of
to
plastic.
say
What color?
right now. So yeah.
Yes, color black. Color black. Good boy. All right, 2 more. What's this called? Cork. That's right, it's a cork. Good job. All right, 1 more. What's this made of? Metal. Yes, good boy. There's a mustache.
And also, guys, oh my god. Yeah, damn. And also, by the way, today we are reacting to these birdies. Thank you, baby.
Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh, okay.
Damn, he's so comfortable that he's trying to sleep right now.
Can you come here? Don't touch. We just go to Tara's house. I don't think he likes it. Go in your house. Stop there.
Go in your house, stop. Damn, what the?
I don't know. It's gonna scare you. If he goes down. He's good. Go out. Come on. Go.
Damn. The bird trying to get the cat out of its territory.
What? Bird. Hey, don't touch.
Damn, the cat doesn't know what the bird is saying, but then the bird trying to not get hit. And now the cat leaving it alone. Let's go. Damn. Damn. Damn, when I get my budgie, I'm also gonna record like this. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. This also reminds me of Peekaboo Kids. Bro's acting like a little soldier right now, man. Bro's acting like a little soldier. Bro, look at this one. I really love this one. And that's it.